Hey guys, welcome. Today I am going to show you the best settings for OBS. Open OBS. Then go to Settings and then click Output. Output mode. Change it to Advance. Then click Recording. Type will be Standard. Recording path. This is save location, set it according to you. Recording format will be MKV by default. MKV file will not get corrupted if the system gets shut down or there is a crash. MP4 file will get corrupted if there is a system crash or shutdown. I am choosing MP4, you can choose according to you. Video encoder, choose NVIDIA NVENC H.264. Audio encoder, choose FFmpeg AAC. Audio track, select all of them. This will create multiple audio tracks. All these settings, these will be default. Now come to encoder settings. Rate control, change it to CQP. CQ level, change it to 15, the lower the better. Keyframe interval, change it to 2 seconds. Preset, change it to slowest best quality. Tuning will be high quality. Multipass mode, change it to 2 passes full resolution. Profile will be high. Leave these settings to default. Then apply. These are some of the best settings for OBS recording. Now what we have to do is go to Video. Base resolution, change it to 1920 by 1080. Output scaled resolution, change to 1920 by 1080. If you want a less resolution, you can change it to a lower resolution. Common FPS value, change it to 60. Then apply. Then we go to Output. Click Audio. Change audio bitrate to 320. These are one of the best recording settings for OBS recording. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. And please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share the video.